The Rajavidya, the secret true knowledge, is given by the universal God, the dual fathers in one bodily chariot, the one bodily temple. We introduced these color codes in series 1 in a logical fashion. We request the viewers to make note of these color codes while going through the notes mentioned on the screen that are coded with these color codes. One may find an additional green color coded words. The mystery of this green personality is elaborately revealed in Series 3 with a variety of evidences from all world cultures. The first verse on the screen mentions the knower of all secrets and declarations, the Supreme, the Most High. The next verse mentions, and this enlightening scripture, we have sent it down in a blessed night, for we are to warn. So the dual fathers, the two souls in one bodily chariot of Adam, is the one who is talking about the new scripture and about warning. The next verse mentions in it, meaning the new scripture, every matter of wisdom is clarified. In that night, all matters of philosophy are clarified and decided. It is a predetermined command from us that we send messengers. This is a mercy from your Lord. He is the hearer, the omniscient, Lord of the heaven and the earth and everything between them. If only you could be certain there is no other God beside him. He controls life and death, your Lord and the Lord of your ancestors. All the highlighted words are already defined through the Gita verses in the first 10 episodes of Series 1 and through the Quran verses in episode 11 part 1, 12 and 13 part 1. We request the viewers to view those episodes before looking at this one. The next verse goes, teaches by means of pen. He teaches man what he never knew. Another verse mentions, the day will come when the God will summon the messengers and ask them, how was the response to you? They will say, we have no knowledge. You are the knower of all secrets. The exact pictorial evidences from all world religions of these Quranic verses are shown in series 3. Moving on to the next verse from Surah 39. They can never fathom the greatness of God. The whole world is within his fist on the day of resurrection. In fact, the universes are folded within his right hand. Be he glorified, he is much too high above needing any partners. The horn will be blown, whereupon every one in the heavens and the earth will be struck unconscious, except those who will be spared by God. Then it will be blown another time, whereupon they will all rise up looking. Then the earth will shine with the light of its Lord. The record will be proclaimed, and the prophets and the witnesses will be brought forth. Everyone will then be judged equitably, without the least injustice. Every soul will be paid for whatever it did, for he is fully aware of everything they have done. The next verse goes, you could see the sun when it rose coming from the right side of their cave, and when it set, it shone on them from the left, as they slept in the hollow thereof. This is one of God's portents. Whomever God guides is the truly guided one, and whomever he sends astray, you will not find for him a guiding teacher. Another verse which mentions about Rajavidya being taught in 6 or 7 days. Your Lord is the one God who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days, then assumed all authority. The night overtakes the day as it pursues it persistently, and the sun and the moon and the stars are committed to serve by his command. Absolutely, he controls all creation and all commands. Most exalted is God, Lord of the universe. We reiterate, one can see the pictorial evidences of who pens the new scripture, the pictorial evidences of who teaches the new scripture, and the pictorial evidences of who blesses the night with the enlightening scripture by bringing it down. Also, the pictorial evidences of the messengers who will say that we have no knowledge. One will see the pictorial evidences of the 7 universes or the 7 kingdoms. Also, the pictorial evidences of those who live in the cave and remain asleep when the God comes. And the pictorial evidences of who blows the horn first and who blows the horn the second time. The pictorial evidences of night overtaking day, the sun, the moon, and the stars, all shown through world pictorial evidences supported by Tanakh, Gita, Rig Veda verses. Please see Series 3, along with other episodes with Quran references in Series 1 and 2. We request the viewers to watch the 3 series and the episodes within the series in the numbered sequence. We have used questioning technique where each and every point is questioned, answered in the most practical manner, supported by religious scriptural references and other authentic evidences, and thus are arranged in logically meaningful flow.